Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hi, hello, this is Charlie Jose, and you're watching again another episode of UpStreamCharlie. In today's video, I guess you've read the title already. It's gonna be the extreme bass test for the Apollo Supreme Max. Yes, deep bass test for the Apollo Supreme Max. So what are we waiting for? Here we go! Testing time! Woohoo! Woohoo!
Jason Voorhees.
Hunter.
And that ends our show for today. Thank you very much for watching the deep bass tests of the Apollo Supreme Max. See you on the next video and see you on the next product review. Bye-bye!